gonna do something about Popeyes, and I am super hungry. I'm all the way back here. Whoa. Hello, my piccianinis, and welcome back to Edit Again Media. Well, I did mention in previous mukbang videos that I was going to do something about Popeyes, and today I am super hungry because all I ate was a salad. A salad, that's it? Yep. So, if you're out there and you're viewing this video, then you may have seen some of my previous videos like mug chicken biryani, what's the big deal? Bang butter chicken, what's the big deal? On feeling Greekish at Popeyes. So here goes. I went and got the heavy 2 can dine for $8.99. I remember when it was $5.99. Well, I know, definitely. Look. Ooh, that crispy chicken. Crispy. Well, looks crispy. And when I ordered, chicken legs. No chicken legs. 1 second. Something look a little bit peakish off. Maybe this. Maybe not. I don't know. But I'll find out. Ooh. Now I'm all the way back here. Whoa! Okay. I'm shooting with a different camera. I want to see something. Hey! Oh no. We don't want it that up close, do we? No. Okay. As I'm eating my chicken. Oh, and I decided to get, what did I get? Mash and gravy. Ooh. And of course the infamous red beans and rice. Nice and hot. Something I seen this morning while getting ready for work. There was a topic about we change as humans. What I want in my 20s, I didn't want in my 30s. What I want in my 30s, I don't want in my 40s. And so on and so on. So we change. So I could like a guy back then that was good looking. He was good looking. Oh, it was fine with me. But guess what? Good looking. Bad hygiene. Didn't respect his mom or his sisters. No, I'm not winning, I'm losing. Or they could be this not so good looking guy. They could be a not so good looking guy, but they give all the respect to the women in their family. That could be the right one, but you know what? I wouldn't go for them. And that's sad. That's sad. I know in my 4th About Me section, I was talking about like how I won't date short guys. And that's my preference. My cousin, tall, like short guys. I had a friend, tall, like short guys. I have a co-worker, she's tall, like short guys. That's them. But don't take it personal if I don't like that. That's me. That's my choice. That might be you. You might like all skinny girls. You might like blondes. You like brunettes. It doesn't matter. Whoever makes you feel happy is what you should do. You can't please everyone. But that's okay, because these are my truths. I am here looking for people that looking for information that can uplift them. People that might say, hey, I've been through that. I'm going through that. How did you handle this? That's what I do. I'm not here to appease everyone because I can't. I am not the almighty. Yeah, you know. But anyway, they was bashing on about this. So The feedback that I'm getting from the content is a lot of them is saying that, our black men just, when they got the chance, they walked out on us. They left us high and dry. The black man blamed the white man for separating us. But even if they did, these day and age, you were supposed to come back. That's why in the black community they said there are so many single mothers who raised their children because the black man just left us. He can't deal with it, so he going about his life living single and free. And move on and on and on. It's a pattern. That's okay. Me personally, I couldn't be more happy. Because when I think about it, I really didn't want the man. I just wanted some children. I could have picked a better choice, but I just wanted to have children by a certain age. You know what I mean? Like, I didn't have them too young, but I didn't have them at an age where I was responsible. And in doing so, it's like I was there growing up with them, right? Sometimes things don't always work out as life's supposed to. And whose life is that? I don't know about any of you, but see there? And sauce is thebomb.com. Okay, back to the subject of interracial dating. I figure with the changing of the time, a lot of things gonna change. A lot of people gonna want to do what they couldn't do. See, back in the 60s and 40s and 20s, that was frowned upon. Oh yeah. Some people back then was like, to hell with it, I love you, Betsy May. Would you be my wife? And she was like, yes, I will, Charles, Stephen, Brad. I even said if my kids came to me and they want to date someone outside of the race, long as they make you happy. Let me know your thoughts about it in the comments below. Now, other controversy that's going on is people who are or are not getting vaccinated. Please comment below, what are your thoughts? In my position at work, I'm a recruiter for an international bus transportation company. So I'm a recruiter for that. And when I'm interviewing people, older people, they like to ask that question, like how many of the employees are vaccinated? I said I don't know that number. Then they asked me, am I vaccinated? And I'm thinking, I just met you. I can't say that. But how would you feel like if some people are vaccinated and some are not? From the sounds of it, COVID had been talked about way before 2020. 2019, October, November, December, we was living life as normal. Going to the store, getting our fruits, not even following the 6 distance rule. It was released then. All of a sudden, when people got wind of alarm for other people, so they panicked. That's the word. They panicked. And now now you want to change the way of life and change everything. It's entirely up to you. So, because I didn't have the information for the guy, he declined the position, which is fine. What are your thoughts? Please comment below. If you don't like it, you can tell me why. What can I do? I'm just a content creator. Not like I know where you live. Or do I? I'll tell you some people. Another thing too, society has spoiled our people, given that unemployment and that additional boost. I wouldn't come back to work either. I could sit at home and create content. I don't know. I have to get out, do things, see people. So, the chicken is good, as always. No, it's not as always. Sometimes they have their good days, sometimes they have their bad. But today is really good. And I couldn't wait. I could not wait. Can you hear me crunching? I know you can hear me smacking. And yes, I told you I picked my post. You right here. I finished with my red beans and rice. So yeah, that is one of the things, well, two of the things I like to talk about. The third one is a question I'd like to know. And please comment below. Why are you on YouTube? What are you searching for? What are you looking for? What do you hope to find? Have you found it? I'm just asking. I'm done with that. Okay. I found it good. You know, believe it or not, eating and talking seems like I get stuck quick. Of course, you know, I got my infamous citrus and green tea. Aha. It's like salsa water. But it's refreshing. You get it? Also, to let you know, I'm building up my nerve to do my first live. And I don't know why I'm nervous. Because when I do events as a recruiter, I'm always on Facebook Live. Going live so all of the 500 plus co-workers can see what we're doing for the day. So why am I nervous about this? And then again, yes I do. I'm nervous because I know when I do live on Facebook with my co-workers, I know people are going to watch. I know they're going to be there. But if I do live on YouTube, I don't know who's going to watch. I don't want to be sitting in a room all by myself, just waiting. And most of the time I see people that's doing YouTube live. They're sitting there, but they looking at their phone or doing something else. And I'm thinking like, is that what you do? I'm still trying to learn. Is that what you do? Just sit there and wait? But do other things? Maybe that could work. I'm just counting. Because I thought I was short. Your thoughts about the two topics I talked about. Interracial dating. And to have or have not the COVID vaccine. What are your thoughts? What are your opinions? But I need to increase my hours. I should have focused on that first as opposed to subscribers.